Mentah kasih ke Fatima upa primary school UMKON karakhe ya ka teachers day rangkat bat ki khna school lem bat ki longkmi ki bawan pensusit lang ki banakan ne kasnong. Hakan ka singi kum kadak ban burom ya ki no hikai ki khna jokan ka school klapan phu samrakhi bat pen kemen ya ki da ki jingshat bat ki program pa pher kalong ru kum ban pen slor bat ki yo lat ru ban pen iya ka sap ka ba ki dan. Klem ki no hikai ka jingnang jingtep bar ka jing start kamla ban sapriang. Kinong hikai kidei katalong jong jing start jing slur bar jing sampang maki kidei kinong sam bar pralti banwanra ya jing im badum sha jing im basai kumbai principal jong ka school iong haba ki khna ki wan cha school kalawe jong ki khna ka shong hagi kti jong kinong hikai.
FATIMA Primary School UMKON. A very warm welcome and a very happy feast day to you all, our dearest teachers. On the 5th of September every year, the nation celebrates the Teacher Day to commemorate and thanksgiving for the commitment, service of the teachers in all walks of life. This neither gold and silver and no word to express but just a warm wishes and prayer. Thank you for all the commitment service that you have rendered to us in various fields. Tireless work and sometimes with shedding tears you sacrifice yourself as the molder, the architectures and the nurture within the nursery of Fatima School, with whom we can compare to your daily impact of knowledge and wisdom to each one of us. You construct on us unrenewable pillar with unmatched quality and unbeatable price. From the mystery of education to the world of love, development, moral value and cooperation. No any other most intelligent teachers in and around the planet we can meet and share our view except you as our idol, the leader who show the way and go the way. Our dearest teachers, you are always with us so many hours in a day. You place us ahead of your thought in every second. Despite of all this valuable guidance, we are always out of your tracks. Our misconduct, disobedience and non-cooperation always hurt you. Please forgive and forget to all our misdemeanors. We pray and wish you a very happy and prosperous day to come. May God keep and guide you throughout your life. Thank you very much from all the students of Fatima Upper Primary School UMKON.
He made everything. God loves me. He can do anything. If I run over here, if I run over there, God is everywhere, and He loves me. I know He's filled with.
Yes.
Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday.
I would like to wish all the teachers all over the world happy Teachers Day. When a child is coming to us, the future of a child, it is in our hands. It is what we give shape to the future of our children. So I take this opportunity to appreciate the hard work, sincerity of my staff and students of this school for the extracurricular activities and all the programs what we organize in our institution throughout in academic year. I also really proud to say that today on the Teachers Day, the students of Fatima School have put before us an amazing program. We were quite surprised and amazed by the wonderful performance of our dear students. Dear students, we are really proud of each one of you. Thank you so much.